Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be teaching you guys about support and resistance. The reason why I'm teaching you guys support and resistance today is because I've found that support and resistance in my trading life has helped me a lot. I've found out that support and resistance can help me with entries and exits. It can help me find areas where there's a lot of value, and it will also help you guys to improve your trading and to make it easier for you guys to read the charts or to analyze the charts. Okay guys, let's get into it. Another term for support and resistance is demand and supply. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know about demand and supply, and you know how demand and supply works. But for those of you who don't, I'll explain it right now. Okay guys, let me break it down to you in an easier format. When there's demand for something and there's not enough supply, the price of whatever that product may be will increase. Then if there's too much supply for whatever product that may be, then the demand will decrease. So that's how supply and demand works in the business world. Then I will show you guys how it works on the charts. As you can see guys on the screen, there are two areas here. There's for one, the green area right here, which is support. Then the second is this area right here, which is resistance or supply and demand. The bottom one will be supply, the red one will be demand. These two areas, as I've explained in my explanation, are what determine what the price will do. Let me go back here. As you can see, this area right here, let me give you an example of this area. This area right here, the green one, this current green one right now, was once an area of resistance. But because there was enough demand for this product right now, it was able to be pushed up above that supply rate. Then the demand for this product had increased after that, and it had passed the amount of supply. So now, as you can see, the people are demanding more of this product, and the only thing that the market makers can do is continue to supply. And because the price has increased, now the demand has decreased. That's the reason for why it's holding at this certain area right here right now. But as we continue throughout the day or throughout the year or whatever period it may be going through, the amount of demand will increase exponentially with the amount of supply. And that's exactly how supply and demand work. Okay, moving right along. And now I'll be teaching you guys how to plot these areas of supply and demand. The most commonly used way to plot these areas, let me show you an example of how people usually do this. People usually just find an area like this where there are two candles that are touching each other and where there's some resistance in that certain area. That's what they use to plot these areas of supply and demand. And as you can see, these areas that they plot here, they do work, but I have found a better way to do this. What I use is the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement shows you areas of resistance, and it shows you the areas where the price would be willing to go back to or to retrace to. That's what I use to make my support and resistance. And as you can see right here, every single spot which it plotted out has areas of resistance or supply, or where one supply then became resistance. As you can see, and it consistently shows you the areas where the price might go back to where it tested, or it might continue moving up, just like right here. Okay guys, let me show you how to pin a tool like the Fibonacci retracement tool. It's actually quite easy to use and easy to work with. For you to be able to pin the Fibonacci tool, you need, and like the bottoms and the tops, you need to find the highest point of like the session, like here. You see this area right here? You have to find the wick, the highest point of that session. Then you move all the way down to the lowest point, and at the wicks you pin it at the wick like this. I'll show you like this. That's how you use it. But to make it better for you, it's better you extend it even further out, and you make sure to find the lowest of all the lowest candles and the end of its wick. That's where you pin the Fibonacci retracement tool, and that's how it will make it easier for you to pin your areas of support and resistance, or demand and supply. Okay guys, and let me continue reiterating this. The reason why I gave you guys, or I'm teaching you guys about support and resistance, is because it's a proven tool. It's proven to increase yields or to improve yields. It's used by all traders, including the smart money traders, the banks, and the professional traders or professional retail traders in forex. And for one reason is to use these areas is because banks use these areas to place their orders, or to place the people who they're ordering for onto these areas. They make sure that they find the lowest areas, or the most oversold areas, or the most overbought areas, so that they can make sure that they get the highest amount of profits or the best price for whatever that they're buying or selling. That's the reason why I'm teaching you guys this. And I'm saying this is because it's important to use this tool, because I know for a fact that it will make or break your trading journey. And just like this channel, for you guys to get more knowledge, you should subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos to as many people as you possibly can, because this is not just a YouTube video or a YouTube channel. This is an investment, and it's an investment for you and the people around you, or people who you know that may need this help. And on that note guys, it's almost time to come to an end, but for your help, you should watch one of the previous videos or the next videos covering a topic like this, or a different topic that you may need help with, because I know for a fact that you'll find one of the videos that I have made that will help you in your trading journey. And on that note guys, stay safe, trade well, trade safe, and goodbye.